you have someone on your team who treats life like a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle, delighting in taking a bird's eye view to put all the pieces back together, it's likely they have an arranger talent. They are jugglers, they're orchestrators of improvement, instinctively understanding how different people or resources should come together to find a perfect solution to a problem. When I've worked with a team member strong in arranger, I've always felt that the more complex the situation, the better. They love to sort through the clutter and turn chaos into order. Whether I needed help identifying a new process, managing multiple tasks, or even bringing the team together, they are ready to lean in and get their hands dirty and get involved. Keep them engaged. Involve them in tasks and projects that feed their need for fast-paced, constantly changing landscapes. They're excited by complex, multifaceted projects where many things are going on at the same time. Their mental juggling is instinctive. They will thrive in this kind of dynamic environment. Lean on them to improve process. They're experts at evaluating different pieces of a process and working out how to reassemble for maximum efficiency. If you have a process or a procedure that you're ready to retire, call on them to work out a plan together. Utilize their understanding of strengths. When launching a new project or initiative, give them the opportunity to position other members of the team. They are brilliant at figuring out where and how each individual will add most value. Give them autonomy. They accept change faster than most and will appreciate being able to orchestrate the moving parts. Give them the opportunity to be the conductor. Put them in the captain's chair. When feeling empowered, they'll be great at making sure 100 moving parts are handled. Involve them. Working as a team is one of their most important values. They make excellent team players and leaders. Put them in a position where they can help the team remain focused on the goals and deliverables. With their ability to arrange and organise, they'll bring everyone together to work more productively. So, this how on earth do you keep so many things in your head at once person can absolutely reset, refocus and pivot a team where change is required. However, there are times when they may not be using this talent productively. In fact, it may even be hindering their progress. You may observe them getting involved with too many projects for the sake of being involved, which is not always the best use of their time or skill. They may also create more complexity than is actually required by reworking and rearranging a process or idea, creating a perception in the team that they can create change for the sake of change. Focus on helping them to really reflect on when to become involved in a project to add value and when to step back. Ask them to seek input from others when planning out a project, as they may offer insights that an arranger wouldn't. Remind them to take others on the journey when they are thinking about reworking a plan, sharing their thinking and work. Having an arranger talent on your team means you have someone who thrives on complex and ever-changing responsibilities. Give them freedom and flexibility and a dynamic working environment, and they will constantly be looking for better ways to improve the efficiency of the team.